Let's begin by talking about how to use text-to-video or script-to-video tools that primarily rely on using stock assets and templates as the source of video content. This includes many easy-to-use apps like the ones I have listed here. Now, these tools vary in their feature sets and their strengths, but each is widely used for creating social media content and marketing videos and presentations and so on. And in their own way, they each use stock assets, templates, and other features. Most of the time, you'll first input text or copy or paste a script, and then AI-driven tools use keyword associations from that text to determine the type of stock content it assembles for you. I'm going to show you just a few of these tools, starting with Lumen5. This is a popular tool that helps you transform different types of text, like scripts or blog posts or articles, into engaging videos. So here I have a short script. It's about all the benefits of using AI to create video. Very meta, I know. And I'm just going to copy this, and then we'll go back over to Lumen5, and I'm going to create a new video. And here I'm going to choose a template. So it defines the aesthetic or the look and the feel of my video. So I'm just going to choose this one, feather. And here I can choose the aspect ratio that I like. I'm fine with 16:9, so we'll use this template. And there are several ways that you can start, whether you want text or voiceover to be the way that you want to convey information in the video. So I'm going to choose the first one, text on media, which will convert my script to a video and retain text as the main way the information is conveyed. Notice that some other options include voiceover or a talking head, and then that's the way the information would be conveyed. And we'll do that a little bit later, but I'm going to choose text on media for now, and then I'm going to paste my script right in here. Notice that you can paste your text, or you can import a URL or upload a PDF, or just outline your idea in general. So it gives you a lot of really great starting places. But I'm just going to paste text, and then we're going to come down here to compose script. All right, so here is my script, and notice that it has broken it out into beats, and it's added titles to each of these sections. It has also edited the script a little bit, condensed it down. If I want to edit that further, I can continue here. And I can come in and make my edits here. I can also add or delete blocks from the video. Right now, it's running at about 38 seconds. So as I edit and add text, that will update. For now, I'm okay with the edits that it's made. So I'm going to come down to convert to video. All right, so you'll see that it's in slide format. And because I chose text on media, our script has been translated to text slides with images or video as the background. All right, so right now it kind of looks like a PowerPoint or keynote presentation, but it is actually a video. Notice that it's also, highlighted keywords and even something kind of creative here. It's highlighted AI and the word entertainment because this is a video about AI. So it's gone through and done all of that, and I'm just going to preview a few seconds of this so you can see that it is actually video content underneath. All right, so again, it's used those keywords to find appropriate video for each of these slides, and I can come in and I can make changes now. So if I want to change my color scheme, I can come in and swap the design of each of my slides. Notice it gives you lots of options for how each one of the slides looks. So I can swap this out for this if I like. And you can also swap the media that it's chosen. Just select it, and then you can come over here and choose another one. If you want to input other keywords, for example, if I want this to look like a video camera, and I'll just grab this shot and click, and you'll see that it's automatically updated. If I want to reposition this, I'll just come in and change that around as I like. There are also AI editing features here. So if I want to click on a piece of media, I have this option here, AI suggested media. So if I want to swap out any of my video and I want AI to help me, I can click on that. And you'll notice that it populates various categories over here to help me hone in on exactly what I want. Again, AI sometimes suggests really nice options, other times not so much. So you definitely do have to have some solid human oversight during the editing process. But it is pretty simple and elegant to make those edits, and you have AI assisting you every step of the way. I'm now just going to show you a similar tool, InVideo. So let's again just grab our script, copy, and paste here in this text field. And I'm just going to click Generate a Video. And after it performed an analysis, I can then choose my audience, my look and feel, and platform. I'll go ahead and change my audience to educators, my look and feel to inspiring, and we'll keep platform as YouTube, and we'll continue. All right, so it's done all the analysis on the video, and my video is ready. I'm just going to play a few seconds of it so you can see the way that InVideo translated my script to video.
What if the future of video creation is not in the hands of skilled editors, but in the realm of artificial intelligence? Picture a world where a few lines of text can be transformed into a captivating video, where the power to create is in everyone's hands, irrespective of their technical prowess. This is not a distant reality, but the here and now, thanks to AI-driven video creation platforms. These platforms are the pinnacle of innovation, implementing artificial intelligence to make video creation a breeze.
All right, so you can see that the look and feel is quite different from what Lumen5 gave me. And I can come in and edit and customize this as well. And you can even use text prompts to make your edits. So let's say I want female voiceover. And I'll play.
What if the future of video creation is not in the hands of skilled editors, but in the realm of artificial intelligence?
All right, and I can come in and edit this further if I like. I can choose edit, and then each one of these is a slide. And much like Lumen5, I can, select a slide and then either upload or search for different stock media if I like. All right, so hopefully you get the picture. These types of script to video generation tools are really great for making quick videos, but the AI does only go so far. You definitely should have a good degree of human oversight to make various tweaks as necessary, but this can give you a really nice starting place to streamline your video production.